Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are doing two different ways to fold envelopes. I know these styles are very different. We have a more of a grungy classic junk journal paper, and then here we have a rosy shabby chic paper. Both of these are kind of new listings, so I'll link both of them below. Whatever style you have, we got it. But today, yeah, we're just gonna quickly show you guys how to make these envelopes. So I'll show you. There's that one, and then there's more of a tall one. And you can do these in any size you want, but the folds are really basic. These are some of the most basic ways to make these envelopes, so I hope you guys enjoy. Again, everything is linked, so make sure to check out these paper kits. Alright, my first envelope I'm making is simply a square envelope, and it turns out really cute, and I'm really excited to show you guys. So what you're going to need is a piece of paper. Double-sided is optional. I just like it when the inside of the envelope has some color. The first thing you're going to do is flip it to its back side. So this is the side I want on the outside of the envelope. So I'm going to just flip it this way. So I'll just flip it here. And make sure this will be your flap. Make sure that your flap is what you like, so you can kind of go through and decide, what do I want my top flap to look like. Ooh. Honestly, they're all really cute. I think I'll go with that one. So you'll flip it this way, and first thing you're going to do is just meet these two pieces in the middle. Like that. I'm going to grab my ruler today just to help me crease the lines. Then just line your ruler up right there, and you can use that as a base to fold this up. Make sure it meets the top of that ruler. Next, you can just grab a ruler and stick it right at these 2 points so it's straight. I like to crease it. You can kind of just mark it, do what you need to do. And then we're going to fold that inwards. From here, we can just unfold it and glue this triangle down. You can also cut this triangle off. I should use a glue stick. And then you can just glue your edges. When gluing, I like to leave just a little bit of space. I don't like to glue right here and right here because it could leak onto your paper. And then of course, you can crease your top fold. And then one thing I like to do is to finish the look off. Is to round that edge right there. And then of course, I love to ink it and add all that extra detail. And there's my first envelope. So it looks like on the back. This is a pretty standard one and really cute. For your next envelope, you're going to need a double-sided paper, or single-sided works as well, and a piece of paper. So the piece of paper represents the card that's going to go inside of your envelope. So that's what I have here to show you guys, just to reference. And then you're going to want to make sure that your piece of paper, it can fold and overlap to touch each other this way. And then on the bottom, you can leave smaller amounts, I left about half an inch, and then on the top I left a little bit more than an inch. So it's up to you kind of what you want to do regarding that, but this is going to be your top flap, and so I always like to leave that one a little bit bigger. And the paper that you put down is going to be the outside of your envelope. I already kind of did it just to experiment with it, so I can still show you guys, but you're going to lay and fold all around your paper like that. Until you have all your folds like that. And then you've created 4 little corners here, so you can cut those off. And then one thing I always like to do is round these. So I'm going to use this corner punch. So round out these other corners. The only ones I'm not rounding out are these ones, just because my tool can't reach that far. At this step, I also like to ink. And then your final step is to glue. So I'm going to just do that and glue my edges and make sure that it's not going to get on the paper behind it. And then it really is a perfect fit for that piece of paper, your letter, as you guys can see. So there's that one. Anyways, guys, those are both the envelopes. We did a little bit of a tall and skinny one with some grungy details, and then this shabby chic one that's a little bit more of a classic shape. Anyways, again, both these paper sets are linked below. They're really fun, but you can also use any paper that you have on hand. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time.